I beat up all the. Wait, I didn't beat up. Pacifists.
Oh dear, I thought it would. That took longer than I thought it would.
Oh shit, she saw me. I gotta run. Oh crap. Well, I said. Dude, 1 second. I want to check out what's over here. It's in there. Right back. What's this? Toy knife. Bro, I ain't using this damn toy knife. So that's why Chris doesn't show me. I mean, not Chris. Oh, I'm Nash. Yeah, I know he's Chris because my friends told me he was. Saying such a cute, tidy house in the room gives you determination. You smell that? Surprise, it's a butterscotch. Hey, yo! I thought we might celebrate here. Yeah, I don't want to eat no damn snail pie. That sounds disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. This is it. Yo, I mean, like, of course I'm gonna like it. Sleep in the bed. Yo! A slice of butterscotch cinnamon pie. Delicious, bro. What's this room? That's Toriel's room. Finally bigger than the twin size bed. So in here. Yo, I look sexy, Oh, it's a child. I did not say that. Y'all did not hear me say that, alright? Wait, it's myself, right? I'm like a 5-year-old can call himself sexy, right? Yo, pie! Slice of pie. Well, hell no, I ain't. What's in the fridge, though? I'm my fat ass. There's a brand named chocolate. Like Kit Kat. I'm sorry, I see. I'm glad I ain't have someone here. Some of the old books I want to share. I'll show you my favorite books. Wanted to be a teacher. Actually, perhaps. Still. Yes. Yo, I want to know when I go home. What? Is this your home now? Would you like to hear about this book? Yeah. Sure. Oh yeah, also, how do I escape the damn ruins? Anyone going down here? Oh my god, I swear. Nah, fam, nah, bro, that's dumb. Nah, don't destroy, bro, that's dumb. Hear me, it's the same thing. Yo, last time I didn't die, alright? Y'all could. Okay, actually, I died a couple times. Go to your. No, I'm not going to my room. I'm sorry, but I need to progress. This is your final warning. Honestly, I don't really see why this child wants to leave, but I'm gonna listen to him to leave so bad. Just like the other. There's only one solution to this. Prove yourself. Prove yourself you are strong enough to survive. Fine. Hell nah! escaped. That is right. Go upstairs. Alrighty. What will it take for you to learn your lesson? Can I have one option? Please go upstairs. Dedicate. Yo, yeah. Yeah, not even a single child. I know you take L's. Blah, 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 blah. Wait, I want to see the reason why she don't pick up. Why is it silent? Is she even in the house still? Bro, where the hell she go? Yo, bro, where is she, bro? She left. Pacifist is really simple. It's just being the best human being ever. Wait a second. I think the way you run fast in this game is this, right? Yo, I'm here to go beat up Flowey, man. Where's Flowey? Get his ass. I don't like him. He's stupid and I don't like him. Hey, yo, bro, why is this so long? Ha, L Flowey, L. Flowey's not here anymore. L Flowey, L. Undertale. By Tobey Maguire. Do I go back in? I can't go back in. Sadness intensifies. Yo, where's my boy Sans? I already knew what sins I committed last time. Branches. Ooh. Oh my god, can Sand just come? Alright, wait. I didn't mean it like that! Okay, I could have sworn I saw something. Or apparently actually hot. Sans! Yo, Sans, what up, man? Long time no. Actually, it's been like a few days. Human. How the hell did I fall for that game, bro? My character's a dumbass at this point, man. Yo, movie kissed me in the hand. Wait, you before something? Put it down before I said it. Whatever, you're a human, right? I say the same thing. I'm actually supposed to go right now, but okay. Oh, my brother, he's a human hunter for now. Hey, I think that's him over there. I'm ready to go around this game. Maybe these bars too wide to stop anyway. Yeah, that's true. Why that conveniently shaped glass? Oh, do I have to listen to all this whole conversation again? No, stop by that. Hey, Data, your puzzles. Just hanging around outside your station. What are you even doing? no, I don't have time for that. Whatever human comes through here, I want to be ready. I will be the one. I must be the one. I will capture a woman. Then I the great papyrus will do utterly things that I will use. I'm going to go to the royal guard. People will ask to be my friend. I will bathe in showers every morning. Guys, you are not helping, you lazy clowns. All you do is sit, get lazy and lazy every day. I am and I hate it. Wait, was I recording this whole time? Just want to make sure. Oh my god, well, I'm just kind of getting real bored of this conversation, alright? You've already heard it. I thought it would be somewhat different. Alright, come on guys, let's just skip blah blah blah, so much talk. Okay, alright, I'm not reading this again. Hey, can you okay, my voice is actually hey, yo! Better not be using that toy knife. Use the box. We don't care about any of this, bro. We just want to see. Yes. Yo, can we keep doing that? Yo, why not? Blah, 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 blah. They talk random stuff. Again, I love this bit where there's like... fucking spins around. Oh, blah, 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 we've heard this crap a bunch of times. Oh my god, is that a human? Oh my god, that finally did it! Yo, 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 man. What I think with a new video. Oh my god, I'd like to order a pizza with the toppings are have them copied, I'll paste them to you. Art of an anime cat girl. Wait. Hey, yo, that sucks. Wait, anime cat. Oh. Wow, I wonder if that what papyrus. I'm a dog! I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. What? Yeah. goodness. Bro, isn't it smoking cigarettes like a dog? Shoots like a cigarette at me. Alright, stop trying to go red. Stop sign. Yo, you hit it yellow, Sans, you dick. Now it's more confusing, ass. Dark dog. Yo, it's a snowman. Hello, I'm a snowman. I want to see the world, but I can't move. If you would be so kind, Charlie, please take a piece of me, bring it very far away. Good luck. How am I doing? You mean the piece of me I gave to you? Right. Alright, I guess I have a hunk of snowman flesh. I see. I snow and ice. Oh, human. Okay, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. This is the same shit. Blah blah blah. Oh. I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna create some colors. Oh my shocking. I love papyrus. It's such a funny shit. Sans, what did you do? Oh, okay. Bro, why does this man have to walk like that, bro? We should have walked. Hold this, please. Okay, let's try that. Oh. So. Ah! Oh, damn it, bro. Come on, I can do this. So easy. However, the next puzzle will be not so easy. And surely. Alright. I could use some wieners. It's the perfect weather for something cold. Oh, customer! Some ice cream? Nice. I need more ice cream. Yeah, I need more ice cream. You never know when you can use ice cream. Oh, I remember it. These are the dogs that I murdered last time. Remember that time when I just grabbed that shotgun and blew those dogs to bits? Y'all remember that, right? Y'all remember that, man? Yo, that's not and I'm going for with a puzzle. Wheels fall. We're gonna solve this though. I give up. See this, they didn't even do anything. What? Crossword? I can't believe you said that. My opinion. Unbelievable. Solve this, which is harder. Jumbled crossword. Yes, humans must be very intelligent. So difficult. Yeah. want to eat it though. I don't play Undertale when you're hungry for chicken wings. I'm just gonna leave. You already saw it literally everywhere. Alright, and I can't resist now. Cause let's be honest, that guy's a dick. Alright. Yo! Girl, you got the pants. Stuck now. Okay, the key to winning this is simple. Just spam the enter button and eventually you'll find some important shit. Oh, that's from Elphys. I'm smart. Elphys is kind of a really thing. She's kind of weird, damn spire on me. I'm a chop. Oh crap. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to resist myself not killing these dogs. Alright. Out of context, yo, I didn't mean it like that, guys. I swear I did not mean it like that. Alright? I swear to God. That's a weird smell. It makes me wanna eliminate you! Honestly, you smell like a weird puppy. Let's kick human tails. Hey, yo! After rolling in the dark, you smell alright. Yo, no, I swear, y'all better not kill me, man. Alright, I'm making it. Y'all lucky I'm doing pacifist. Pet. Wow, pet by another puppy. Alright, now that I actually know what to do, or I roll around in the dirt and snow, you smell like a weird puppy. Kick human tail, bro, I'm a human tail. Bro, what am I gonna do? Dude, this is why I killed you guys. I did not know what to do, man. Oh, fine. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's food and love. Pet. Oh, a dog that pets. Dogs are amazing. Yo, I think they're attacking faster because they're not getting a pat. Was that really all I had to do? Dogs can pet other dogs. A new world is open for us. Thanks, weird puppy. Oh god, I could already imagine all the weird ass fan fiction. What? Did you? Is there anything for me? Or did you tell Papyrus? Really? Oh, you were just in the plate with my own pasta suit here. Yeah, that's definitely why. It's not because it was stuck to the plate. A long time to arrive, so I decided to improve this puzzle by arranging stones more like my clothes. There's no frozen. You have so different. As usual, these brothers are I suppose. Why not, human? The great papyrus will solve this conduction. Then we can all proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try to I'll try not to give away the Yates. Yo, let's see. Tournament of Triangle! Be a minute society! Oh damn. God damn it. What if I do it like this? Oh, shit. Alright, let's try it again. I actually forgot how to do this puzzle genuinely. Alright, what if I do like that, go out, all the way down here. Do that. No, that won't work. Alright, try this shit again. I go up here. No. I go up here. I do that. I do that. No. I do that. I do that. I do that. I do another. I do that. Then I go all the way around here. Hey, yo, I'm kind of smart, not gonna lie, for doing this. Fuck. Here I thought I was some kind of genius. My dreams are now taken away from me. I just want to be good at puzzles, goddamn. Hey, yo, I did it! Wow, this sounds good. I'm good at that, man. Incredible. I'm impressed. Oh, God. I am so dead right now. I'm sorry about talking that much, guys. I need food. Is that Milton? Yeah, it's Milton! No! Damn it, why did I do this? What did I do? He mixed it up, bro. He doesn't even know what he's talking about. He don't even know the shit that comes out of his mouth. Yes. Great, then there's one last thing. This puzzle. We'll make a puzzle that has never been seen before. Not even I will know a solution. No! This is so funny. Now I'm going over here. Alright. Now I'm gonna turn into art. I'm trying to turn this into something cool. Alright. Termination. Yeah. go get the last dog. Hey yo, and we can get to see them just chill this time. Woof, 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 woof. This is such a cute doggy though. Why would you want to kill it, man? Look, when I do a genocide run, and then he just comes out as this muscular dog, I'm like. Alright. Play. That's pretty easy. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, there we go, got it. Second. Bark, bark. Bark, bark. Alright, come on, let's do this. Ignore. Okay, this is what I'm supposed to do. Really? Ignore. Alright, there we go, got it. He's closer, bro. He's literally. He's even closer. Too boring. Hey, yo, that's rude, my guy. Man, I ain't that dog, bro. I'm gonna punch you in the face when I get kids. Yo, man, this is your final dangerous challenge. You'll look at it of deadly terror. You're the fucking dog. Toby Fox. Anyone with Toby Fox? Yo, Toby. Alright, are you ready? Because, alright, come out to do it. Hold up. Okay, we get it, blah, blah, blah. Damn it, where's all this new goddamn dialogue? I swear to God. Bro, this is so far literally the exact same. You could hear it smart. And even do the spin thing, and you go whoop, 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 whoop. You go whoop, 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 whoop. Yo, I can buy shit. Hiya, welcome to Snowman. Now, where did you come from? The capsule? You don't look like a tourist, or you not here by yourself? What do you do here? Food, bro. I've been literally. Well, there's Alpha. I think they just showed up one day and asserted themselves. This town's got a lot more interesting since then. On this street, I'll think back. Class. A long time ago, monsters lived in the ruins back there in the forest. Story short, we all decided to leave the ruins because it sucked booty and head into the caverns. Along the way, some fuzzy folk decided they liked the cold. Oh, and don't think about trying to explore the ruins. The door's been locked for ages. So unless you got a UFO ghost, you could bury the door. Just forget about it. Cool life. Life was the same as usual. I don't know that word. claustrophobic, but freedom is coming. No, wait. Claustrophobic. Oh, claustrophobic. Hey, that's life, ain't it? Oh yeah, alright, let's get rid of the toy knife because pacifist, tough glove because pacifist. I'm not getting rid of the stuff. I think I got rid of all the shit I need to get rid of. Alright, let's go back in the shop. Hello, traveler, how can I help you? Another cinnamon bun, please. More cinnamon buns. Exit. Bye now. Come again sometime. Alright, well, that's all I needed. And welcome to the stone. Oh, wait, shit. I remember. I spent all my money. Oh, damn it. I thought it was stupid. No, let me through. God damn it. Yo, I was in here, though. Yo, I'm not forgetting literally everything that happened, bro. Man, I'm just stupid. I'm a dumbass. Yo, what about this punk ass rabbit? I hate over this. What?
It's the cutest bun buns are so adorable. Hee hee.
I'll think I'll figure it out.
Bun bun bun.
I think I'll figure it out. I think it's so much locomotion, but reading is free life now. Started giving that monster present to make it feel better. Now it's a tradition of the present under the decorated screen. Hey yo, it's Monster Kid, it's my boy!
You're a kid too, right? I can tell because you're wearing a striped shirt.
Yeah, that's the rules. Hey yo! This is way better than last time, bro. Now all the dogs are here. How do you feel? Thinking of getting striped follows showing my personality. Makes a statement like, attach your leash to me, take you for. Oh god, no, dude. Look, in context to this, it's innocent, but no. Watch me sit down here, kid, because that big guy will jump into your lap and give you lots of love and attention. You're sick. Learn these, but we never get any respect. I wish these skeletons would throw us a bone. We love bone. Get it? Where I go? Alright, let's go. I don't think there's anything special up there, right? Oh. That's just depressing. It's locked? Yeah, because they're a normal person. Oh, we're gonna fight Papyrus now again. I mean, not really fight him, more of just pussy out. But you guys get it, right? You might allow me to tell you about some complex feelings. Somehow I feel like you're an old friend, even though I've never actually met you. I can't explain why I feel this way. Did I meet you online? So many social media content. It's hard to keep just a dozen more. I'll finally reach double digits. Hey, wait a second. You can't be my friend. You're a human. I can't believe you almost tricked me into not defeating you. Whoopsie doozy. What?
I'm a skeleton with very high standards.
I can make you. No, you met all my standards, so I guess that means I have to go on a date. Yo. Alright, I gotta do it.
sorry for the awkward silence from past Nash. The reason why it's awkward silence is because, well, at that point I just remembered it was time for me to go out with a friend and go eat some chicken wings. So, and I forgot to make an ending and also forgot to not stop recording. So this video actually goes on for like 3 hours, except I highly doubt you guys just want to hear just utter silence.
Oh man. Alright. Was this shit recording just while I was gone? I gotta stop doing that.
This is the end of the video. It was fun to do. Lick some poo. It was fun to do this video.